What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're just having a quick look at the Bitcoin price on the daily. Are we going to have enough steam after this retracement to continue to the upside in the next coming days? This is what we are basically going to talk about. And also, we're taking a look at the chart here on the 2 hourly to see why did we get this bounce from this level, and are we going to have enough steam to retest the 46k, or are we going to just create another lower high and continue to lower levels? This is something that we're going to discuss in this episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto, also to live streams to connect with the community. And I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, but if you do so, do your own research, guys. Let's dive in. But before, let me just remind you, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a Bitcoin giveaway. So make sure to smash up the like button and comment down below. Right, guys, nothing has changed just too much. We have had a pullback these last couple of days, as you can see, hitting that 41.7k levels. Could we go to lower levels? Yes, I think so. This could happen, but I still believe that we are just at the very start of a new uptrend for the next coming weeks, guys. So we want to try and get into those opportunities. Now, this is not confirmed because we have consolidated here at the very last lower high, looking at the daily, which is this range over here. As you can see, this is not really a kind of a breakout, but just by pure speculation, I think that we might consolidate here just at that 41k levels. As you can see, this is a major level that we've been talking now for ages. This level will potentially hold and continue to the upside, breaking the next major resistance, which is at the $46,000. So I'm going to go with that prediction. I'm sticking to this, okay, where we are potentially starting this new uptrend. And reason number one is because we broke here the trend line from these lower highs, and this could be the start of a new uptrend, okay, just to keep it pretty clear. Now, I want to talk about the 2 hourly chart, talk about these major levels. First of all, in today's live stream, we were calling this, me and Natalie, that with Bitcoin was potentially going to find a small local bottom here at that 41.7 and get a nice bounce. I did scalp this on PrimeXBT. Okay, just a quick little scalp, and let me just explain to you here on this quick update why we got a bounce at this level. Well, first of all, zooming in here on the chart, this is the 2 hourly. Remember this major consolidation, this kind of bull flag, right, where we continue to the upside. Very well predicted also on the one of the live streams, and you know, you can clearly see this area. Look how we are reacting to this level. Look at this major consolidation that we did have. And look how we bounced beautifully at the very top here, getting this nice reaction. I just longed this at about 42.2k. Okay, 42.2k, round about this area, and just did a quick little scalp, took profits here just below 43k at about 42.6k. I took profit, so just moved just over 1%. If you're using a little bit of leverage, that is a little bit of money there that you can make, guys. Remember, on PrimeXBT, you get the best deal down below. You get up to 7%. Okay, you get 7% added to your deposit. So if you deposit $10,000, you're getting $700 worth of bonus to trade with. The good thing, you can just trade with the bonus, so it's absolutely great. I got both of the tutorials for PrimeXBT and Bybit, guys, so make sure to take advantage of that. It's another good way to support the channel. Now, looking here at the price of BTC, you know, main reason we got a bounce there because of that consolidation, like I said. But if I zoom out a little bit here to see the price action that we did have in January and part of February, you know, this massive consolidation, the biggest point of control, guess where it is? It is just at that 41.5, okay, range approximately. You know, you can see here on the VPVR that is a big thick range, okay, in between 41.3 and 41.9 approximately. And this is why the price is also getting a reaction. It is getting a little bounce. Now, your question might be, are we going to have enough steam, Andy? Are we going to come all the way up here to retest that 46k range, just under 46k range, and potentially break it? Well, I think yes, but there is also a possibility, guys, that there's not going to be enough steam during the weekend. We're going to roll back down. We're just going to create another lower high, and there is a possibility, okay, that will lose this level and have a kind of a big ABC correction, consolidate, and then continue to the upside. This is also a scenario that could happen. I am sticking to the bullish side as I showed you for the midterm, for the next coming weeks, but immediate short term, we could have these kind of reaction. And your question might be, okay, so if we come down, what levels could we bounce from? What levels are really strong? Well, I can just show you here, zooming in on the 2 hourly, all right? Remember that we did have this nice price action here to the upside, and this 2 hourly candle, you can take a look at it at the 1 hourly, 2 hourly, 4 hourly, it doesn't really matter. They are good levels to see, but one of the strongest levels here is at the 39.5, you know, in between 39.5 and 40k levels. Okay, this is where we do have this nice spike in volume, and I think that this area could be holding very, very nicely. If you do see the Bitcoin price losing this range, it might just be a liquidity grab, okay, because Bitcoin likes to get liquidity at the top of these resistance or below these support levels, and this is the area where I think we could get a potential bounce. I'm talking about that 40k levels. Okay, I won't be scared if I see the BTC price coming down there with low volume. Okay, that will indicate me that this level will be defended very, very nicely. Okay, because we do have higher volume to the upside, guys, and I look at price action and volume, and this area over here with this volume is looking pretty good. If we see the volume declining from the bears, this means that potentially the bulls will push the price back up. Okay, so this is what I am looking for the next few days, guys. Now, not much to add here to Bitcoin. I think that a potential retest of 46k levels will happen, but stay cautious because we could see a little bit of more volatility to the downside. Right now, if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement from this consolidation right here, this is the start of this major leg up. So if we take a look at fib levels from the low to the high, we are actually getting a bounce from that 382, a very common retracement when you are potentially starting an uptrend. And we've been talking about this for a long time now. For the last few days, this is the most common retracement. We might only retrace to the 382 and continue to the upside, but who knows, we might be hitting 50% Fibonacci or even the 618. And guess what? The 618 Fibonacci, let me just get it again, from this low to the highs, it is at the 39.8k levels. And as you can see, this range is a very important level, just mentioned a few minutes ago, where we do have the big spike in volume on the 2 hourly. Doesn't really matter, 2 hourly, 1 hourly, you can take a look at the 4 hourly. It is around that range where we do have this spike of volume, okay? And it is a very important level that we could be getting very heavily supported. This is just under $40,000. So this is something that we'll be paying attention in the next coming days, guys. Stay very, very cautious. If you are trading, stay safe. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. We've got the latest news and technical analysis ideas here. We've got guides. Check it out, guys. Totally free information. Follow us on Twitter. Also follow the Telegram group. You can tag me in there. Ask me some questions in the group if you wish. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.